How to change currency on Bitcoin.com wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change currency in your Bitcoin.com wallet application. To do so, first of all, open your Bitcoin.com wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the gear or the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and by doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. From here, you will need to find app preferences option. Once you locate it, tap on it to open it and under it, here at the very top, you will be able to see currencies option. Simply tap on the currency option and here you'll be able to see your currently selected currency. Tap on the currency and now from here you can select any one of the currency that you prefer. Scroll down to find the one that you're looking for. You can also use the search bar right here to find the one you're looking for. Enter the name of the currency in this box and you'll get the search results below. And once you find the currency you are looking, tap on it to add it. Soon after doing that, a pop-up will appear. Here, you will need to tap on this update currency in order to confirm. By doing so, you will see you have successfully changed your currency on Bitcoin.com wallet application. Now you can return back and then there you will see your newly updated currency. So by following these steps, you should be able to change currency on Bitcoin.com wallet application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.